Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by confirming the phone model and whether the bootloader is unlocked or can be unlocked. This matters because the method changes. Once done, enable USB debugging if you can access settings, or prepare for fastboot/bootloader access if you cannot. Make sure your laptop has OEM drivers and ADB/fastboot installed, and that the phone is charged above 50%. Now connect the phone via USB so the computer sees it, and proceed to the recovery or fastboot access step. Next, boot the phone into recovery or fastboot. Use the device-specific key combo or run a DB reboot bootloader if ADB responds. Once in fastboot, either unlock the bootloader, acknowledge data loss, or temporarily boot a trusted custom recovery using fastboot boot recovery. Then perform a factory reset from recovery or remove lock files via a DB shell for rooted/recovery sessions, for example delete/data/system/lock settings. DB. Make sure each command returns. Finally, reboot the phone and complete the initial setup. The password should be removed and you can recreate a new lock. If you unlock the bootloader, consider relocking only after confirming stability. If you encounter Google account verification, you must sign in with the original account or wait the specified waiting period after unlocking. If something fails, reinstall drivers, switch USB cables or ports, and retry commands. If ADB never detects the device, try another laptop or check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.